Choose life. Jesus is the way. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing mini 2-strand twists on short natural hair. So I'm parting out a section from ear to ear just to get our first row started. And you want to make sure you clip the top section away so that no fray hairs will get caught up in your first row. So I'm using this Shea Miracle Cream, and I'll list everything in the description. I think it's from Africa's Best, and I'm trying this out on her hair along with my Restoration Scalp Serum to keep her scalp nice and moisturized. Look at that shine, look at that moisture, I love it. So I'm applying the cream to her hair. So I split that strand into 2 pieces and I started twisting. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm twisting in opposite directions. Well, I'm rolling the hair in the opposite direction and then twisting over. So you roll it backwards, twist it over, roll it backwards, twist it over, roll it backwards, twist it over, and you roll it backwards and twist it over, and you keep going. And this ensures a really nice firm twist. When you get to the end, just do a finger coil. That way the ends could be nice and locked in and it won't look frayed or open. And I just took a single prong clip and clipped her base down. And now I'm repeating those steps. And here we are, a little more than halfway through. Now keep in mind, her hair is still wet, and the white that you see is from the cream, and it will dry. You won't have any flakes or anything like that once it dries. So I'm just doing another demonstration at the top part, but it's the same steps that I showed you in the beginning. And make sure you get nice clean parts, because you don't want anything too rugged, because that can cause breakage over time. With the partings being too rugged, it's going to pull at the base of the hair, and over time that hair will snap and you will experience some hair thinning. So just take your time and make sure you get nice straight parts. That way you can prevent damage. Start combing the hair from the bottom all the way to the top. That way you can keep the hair as healthy as possible, because if you start from the root on down to the ends, it's going to be very hard to comb through, and you don't want to break any hair. So start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. Now, in some areas where the hair is easy for the comb to go through, then that's okay. But when you have a thick section, make sure you comb from the ends all the way up to the root. And as you're twisting, sometimes the hair can bunch up while you're doing the twist, and you don't want to have a matted looking twist. So as you get to the bottom, if you feel you need to comb through that part and continue twisting, then do so you can have nice uniform looking twists. So here we are, all completed, and she's ready to get under the dryer. And make sure they dry so that they'll come out looking nice and sleek and healthy like this. So she styled it up. I'm just showing a style where you can just simply put a rubber band and do a half up style like that, or you can do a half up style with just a regular bun. You can do 2 buns on the side. I mean, you can do a lot of things even with this short length. So let me know if you want to see a video on different styles on mini twists.
It's silly.